Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. LIPH International Precision Health AG reports 2025 results and establishes strategic foundation for AI-driven precision health platform. LIPH International Precision Health AG, LIPH, published its 2025 financial results, marking a transformational phase in the company's development. Highlights include a successful listing on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, an acquisition of 6 majority shareholdings, valued at around EUR 111 million, establishing the foundation for LIPH's AI-driven healthcare ecosystem. Tendo Marketplace hits 1 million vouchers purchased, establishing the standard for price-transparent, high-quality care. Tendo Marketplace has reached 1 million vouchers purchased nationwide, marking a milestone in delivering price-transparent, high-quality care. The platform provides a shoppable care experience for consumers, employers, and healthcare providers, featuring trusted provider networks, quality insights, procedure bundling, and transparent pricing. This achievement reflects the growing demand for quality care at a predictable cost. Spectral AI announces annual meeting of stockholders. Spectral AI, an artificial intelligence company focused on medical diagnostics, announced its 2026 annual meeting of stockholders will take place on May 29, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Only stockholders of record as of April 1, 2026 will be entitled to vote. UK biotech could be bound for recovery, BIA report reveals. UK biotech venture financing has shown signs of recovery in Q1 2026, with total equity funding reaching 552 M, $746 M, an 18 increase from Q4 2025. Venture capital VC raising also saw a 17 boost to 516 M, $699 M, with 25 companies securing funding compared to 15 in the same period last year. LC3 Davos of Healthcare TM Silicon Valley, Summit C Inaugura Mañana, and Sunnyvale Con KFSH. The LC3 Davos of Healthcare Silicon Valley Summit opens tomorrow in Sunnyvale, featuring KFSH as a key partner. The event aims to drive medical breakthroughs and innovation, building on the achievements already made by King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center. C3 Davos of Healthcare TM Silicon Valley Summit opens tomorrow in Sunnyvale with KFSH. The C3 Davos of Healthcare Silicon Valley Summit opens tomorrow at the Plug and Play Tech Center in Sunnyvale, California, under the theme HealthTech Frontiers. The summit is powered by a partnership with King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center, KFSH, and will feature keynotes from KFSH officials on digital operating models and AI in healthcare. KFSH advances precision surgery through in-house 3D printing program. King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center, KFSH, has developed an in-house 3D printing program that enhances precision surgery by producing patient-specific anatomical models. This enables surgical teams to simulate procedures, refine decision-making, and minimize uncertainty, resulting in reduced operative time by up to 30 and improved clinical predictability and patient outcomes. KFSH scales genomic medicine from research to clinical decision-making. King Faisal Specialist Hospital and Research Center, KFSH, is pioneering a clinically integrated model of genomic medicine, translating large-scale genetic data into real-time medical decisions. The hospital has expanded genomic testing to over 44,000 tests in 2 years, supporting thousands of case analyses and altering treatment decisions in up to 70 of documented cases. Rapid Nutrition plc announces FY 2025 results and 2026 strategic outlook. Rapid Nutrition plc announced its audited results for FY 2025, revealing a strategic reset year focused on strengthening capital structure, simplifying financing arrangements, and establishing operational foundations for scalable growth. The company secured cornerstone funding, streamlined its capital structure, and consolidated supply chain and inventory positioning to position itself for sustainable growth. Premier Health announces management transition. Premier Health has announced a management transition, with current CEO name stepping down and being replaced by new CEO's name, effective date. The change will take place as part of the organization's strategic planning process to ensure continued growth and success. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.